Hi there, it's Kathy Cates and Melissa Hines from the Institute for Pelvic Health.
And you're watching Demystifying the Pelvic Floor, weekly videos providing real and simplified pelvic floor education for your real clinical situations. We've got you covered.
And today we're going to go over a clinical pearl to help with visualization during your pelvic exam. So, Kathy, you're always talking about your speculum and condom, and can you kind of go through this really cool
Totally.
clinical pearl with me to help with anterior wall prolapse and
Totally.
bleeding?
Absolutely. So we've all been there. You put the speculum in, and then like all you see are the walls caving in, and you're like, "Ooh, this is going to be very hard to do whatever it is you may need to do." Like if you need to visualize the cervix, you're not going to be able to do it. So you can get a thing that's called a vaginal wall retractor, but I think they're several $100s and you don't need it. So what you do is you have a condom, and how great that we have these Lilo Hex condoms, because these are really good condoms that we recommend for people that are using condoms for birth control. This is one of the brands that we think is really great, just as an aside. Um, so you need your condom, you need some scissors, and you're going to want to take an alcohol wipe and sterilize the scissors. Like you're going to cut, actually, yeah, I just do. I don't know if we need to, but I'm like super careful about it. So I have sterilized them. I'm going to take my speculum. I've got a medium size Welch Allen speculum, right? So, you know, especially this is helpful like if you don't want to go up to the large size, but you want to be able to visualize. So you're going to just clip the condom open, and then you're going to take it out. You're going to put the tip of the condom right over the speculum, right? And then it's better probably to do this with gloves on because it's a little sticky. You're going to just clip the tip, go right to the edge of the scissors where they're
Raise it
sharpest.
up a little bit so we can see.
Yeah, totally. This is why they need to be sterilized. I misspoke. So clip the condom wrapper open, sterilize your scissors because you're literally going to be clipping the very tip of the condom. And with gloves, your hands won't get sticky. So then voila, you've got, so then it's right, the clipped condom, the tip of the condom is clipped. It's right at the end of the speculum. And then look
Mm,
at that. Voila. You've got, there you go. Look at all that room that you have in there, right? So if you've got all that prolapse, what it does is the condom just pushes the
yeah,
wall off to the side, and it's great and it's super easy. Everybody has condoms, everybody has scissors, and it makes your life so much easier for visualization.
that's great.
Yeah.
Super cool. Thanks
Yeah,
for sharing.
totally.
And that's a wrap. Did you like this video? If so, hit like and subscribe. Please share with your colleagues and comment below to let us know if you have any questions about this cool clinical pearl.
And subscribe to our email list at instituteforpelvichealth.com to get your free guide, 4 tips for managing your challenging pelvic exam. And you'll also get access to our free weekly pelvic health content.
And be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, where we'll post more pelvic health tips. We also have our course coming out in just a couple weeks, so hop on our newsletter so you can get all the good information sent right to your inbox.
Our course will break down the pelvic floor so that you can confidently care for your patients with pelvic floor dysfunction. By simplifying the pelvic floor, will improve patient outcomes and your provider experience. Thanks for watching and spreading the word. Let's revolutionize pelvic health. We'll see you soon.